bulk audio messages to everyone whose details I have in this spreadsheet. And to do this, we are going to use Pabbly Chatflow. So to get started, you have to open the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow if you are an existing user like me. But if you are a new user, you have to open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/chatflow in your browser and open the landing page of Pabbly Chatflow. In the top right corner, you are going to see the option of sign up for free. So click on this sign up for free and you can try Pabbly Chatflow for free today. Once you try Pabbly Chatflow for free, and if you like it, you can definitely move on further and purchase the subscription plan of Pabbly Chatflow. And for that, we have a special discount coupon code just for you. It's attached right over here. You can use this amazing discount coupon code to get a very heavy discount on the subscription plan of Pabbly Chatflow. Okay, so now we're on the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow, and this is the most important window. What you have to do, you have to make sure that you've added your WhatsApp number inside Pabbly Chatflow. If not, a complete tutorial is attached in the description box below on how to add your WhatsApp number inside Pabbly Chatflow. You can refer to that and add your WhatsApp number inside Pabbly Chatflow. After you do this, from the left hand of the side, you have to go on this broadcast section of Pabbly Chatflow and click on this add broadcast button. Now over here, it is asking me to select the broadcast type, so select it as broadcast campaign. Now for the broadcast name, I'm just going to keep it as new audio message right over here. Now it is asking me to select the contact list. So in order to select the contact list, we first have to create one, right? So for that, from the left hand of the side, come on this contact section, and from here you can create your own contact list. You just have to enter the list name, opt-in status, incoming status, and add the condition if you want. Apart from this, if you want to learn how to add the contacts, you can go on this add contact button and add the single contacts. If you want to add the bulk contacts, go on this add bulk contacts and upload the CSV file over here. How can you get this CSV file? For that, you just have to enter the details of all the ones to whom you want to send this audio message in a spreadsheet. Go on this file, download, and download this in CSV format and simply upload it right over here. Your contacts will be uploaded, and from here you can create the contact list further to segregate them. Now what you have to do, you just have to select the contact list to whom you want to send the messages, which is the audio message. Now it is saying refine audience, which is optional. So over here you can select the contact list to exclude. You can select the specific contacts which you want to exclude over here. Apart from this, you can also switch on this button. So what is this button going to do? So it is going to skip the contacts who messaged you within the last 24 hours, so they don't receive a redundant broadcast on the top of an active conversation. So let's say some user is chatting with the AI chatbot, or let's say some user is chatting with you and this broadcast message is scheduled and sent instantly that time. Then it will be a redundant broadcast message, and which we should avoid. Okay, so that's the reason I've switched on this button, and now let's move on further. It is saying select the message type. So we have two options. You can go for the WhatsApp template or the regular message. Let's select the regular message. For the type, select it as audio over here. Now over here, you have to upload the audio file. So either you can paste the URL or you can simply upload from media library. You just have to click on this upload from media library, add new audio, and then choose a file. From here, what you can do is you can simply choose a file which you want to upload and click on this upload audio button. Once this audio is uploaded, what you have to do is you just have to select it and click on this insert. Now this audio file is inserted over here. Now it is saying username and the phone number. So what is this? Before we send this audio message to multiple contacts at once, you can check it by sending it towards you. What you can do is you can simply enter the username right over here and your mobile number, so that this WhatsApp broadcast is first sent towards you. So let's just click on this send test message, and you're going to see this is saying test broadcast sent, and we have received this audio message, and it's the same audio message which I want to send to all these customers. So what I'm just going to do is I'm just going to keep it as same and move on further and send this broadcast. Now in order to send this broadcast, you have two options: schedule it for later or send instantly. So if you wish to send this broadcast instantly, you can click on this no send instantly and then add button, and the broadcast will be sent instantly. But if you want to schedule this broadcast for later, then you have to go on this yes schedule for later and select the date and time from this calendar button over here. I'm just going to schedule this for 31st of May 5 p.m. right over here and click on this add button. Now once I'm just going to click on this add button and then add broadcast button, this broadcast is added successfully. This is a regular message, it's an audio message, message, and over here you can see the date and time when this broadcast is going to be sent. After this broadcast is sent, I can then view the stats of this broadcast, how many were sent, delivered, read, pending, ignored, and failed. So go and try this amazing automation and send bulk audio messages. It is very useful if you want to share the clips of the podcast, or it is very useful if you want to share some voice messages with all your customers or something like this. So go and try this amazing automation yourself. And while trying, if you have any questions, you can drop them in the comment section below. And if you have any queries, my team is going to definitely help you out. Don't forget that the discount coupon code is attached in the description box below. Do check it out. If you like the video, don't forget to hit the like button. And for more automation tips and tutorials, do subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching, everyone. So not only this, but you can connect many more applications using Pabbly Connect. So now if you have any doubts related to pricing, you can follow this link. If you have any doubts or queries related to sales, you can email us at sales@pabbly.com. Both this link and this email address is attached in the description box below. You can check it out. I suggest you connect and integrate your favorite applications today, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect.